Hi, sixth graders. Today we're going to be learning about ethical and legal use of materials in regard to information literacy. I've provided 10 resources that are going to be a great start at understanding how to make these choices about information sources. And after you view all 10 resources, you're going to respond to the discussion question. So first you may be wondering, why are we doing this? Why is it important? It's very important that you know if an online resource is ethical and legal to use for all of the research projects you're going to be doing in school. You want to know, can I use this resource? Is it a good one? So the standard we're going to be going with today is Learner 4, Curate, Think, and then it's making critical choices about information and resources to use. So I have created 10 resources for you to look at. So you can look at the Padlet this way. You can also press this play button and it'll show you one at a time. So the first resource is Plagiarism Explained. It just is a short video to explain what plagiarism is. The second resource is Copyright for Kids. This is a resource from copyright.gov. It's a little brochure about copyright. Resource 3, What is Copyright? Introduction video. 4 is How to Be Safe Online. Resource number 5 is How to Evaluate Sources for Reliability. Resource number 6 is you're going to take a quiz over plagiarism to see if you're understanding what we're learning so far, kind of like a midway check. Resource, you can take it as many times as needed. Resource 7 is about creativity, copyright, and fair use. Resource 8 is how to cite the resources that you're going to be finding after you figure out this is a good resource. How do I cite it in my work? Resource 9 is where do I find good information? And then number 10 is just research and ethics. Now this one, you're going to scroll down to ethical principles brochure, browse the 17 choices and pick 3 that you need further clarification on. You'll see after each resource, I kind of give you a little blurb about what you're going to do with that resource. This is a great thing to use online to practice first, how do you find a source? And second, how do you legally use that source? And are you ethically using it? Are you plagiarizing? Are you copywriting? Is this a good source? And if you needed a reminder on what we're going to be doing, I'm going to put this video, me explaining everything, right here on the Padlet introduction video. Okay, so remember, we're learning today about ethical and legal use of materials. When you finish going over all of that, you're going to go and answer this discussion question right here, which is how do you know if an online resource is ethically and legally appropriate to use for a school project? You're going to answer this question. Okay, enjoy.